So this is my hand. I just wanted to show one thing. Hello everyone. So today I made this video for basically just showing the articulation of the human hand through the muscles present in our body. So this is the model of our hand, and we all know that we have bones and muscles and flesh inside. So the muscles help us to move by contracting. Muscles can only contract. So we have 5 fingers. This is the thumb. This is the index finger. This is the middle finger. This is the ring finger. And this is the pinky finger. So this works by taking as the black thread as muscles and these white paper strips as the bones. They work like this. Now the muscles are connected to the bones by the tendons. So the muscles, as I already told, can only contract, and here also the black threads contract on pulling. So on contracting, the bones come closer and closer, thus taking the action of articulation in our hand. So same thing, when we have our own hand, the muscles are connected to our bones, and when they contract, they pull our bones in, thus forming our movement. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.